Hello everybody, the Grignoteur here, and unfortunately I was not able to appear in this video physically, although a voiceover of me will still appear and direct on how to cook a Chaliapin steak, and a budgeted one at that. You can make this at home for a max of $15. Enjoy the video.
First, you want to take your preferred meat cut it grit into it, and then pound it out to flatten it out. Although for my case, I am using a cubed cut steak, so it's pretty much already done that, and I just cut a grit into it. Then you cover it with onions from the top to the bottom and let it sit for 30 minutes in the fridge. This will allow the meat to soak in the juices and really tenderize itself, since onion juice serves as a natural tenderizer. And after it's done, take it out, put it on the fryer. Again, I am using a cube steak, so cooking times may vary, although in the card up top is the lesson for hamburgers, and the way to cook is medium well. 3 minutes on one side, 6 minutes on the other. You melt a slab of butter on your pan, and this is what we're going to cook our steak in, to medium well. And now for a backstory on this particular dish. Most of you probably heard of this from the well-known anime known as Food Wars, but the Russian opera singer Fyodor Chaliapin came to Japan on tour. He was suffering from a toothache, so he asked his host for a very tender steak, and this is the dish that the chef came up with. This dish in particular, as shown in the show, can be served over rice as a rice bowl, but also can be served with various amounts of vegetables, depending on your personal preference of sides. And in a few minutes, your steak will be done. Then you put it off to the side on a plate to rest, while you work on the onions. And in the same pan you use to cook the meat, you saute the onions and season them with salt and pepper. Saute them until they're at a brownish color, nice and crisp, and then you top them onto your Chaliapin steak. You then take the pan that you were also using, and then add a deglazer, like I am using Worcestershire for instance. Make a little puddle out of it, and then add a little soy sauce, and a slab of butter. And then, you're going to want to add a half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Let it all mix in the pan and whisk it up. Whisk it up nice and good till you get the consistency you want. And then, once all whisked up, nice and smooth, you then top your Chaliapin steak with it. Like so. And that, my friends, is how you make a Chaliapin steak for less than $20. And that is how you make a Chaliapin steak. A budgeted one. Now, next video will be coming on the 21st of July. I don't know what's going to happen in between now and then since I'm moving to a new location. But I thank you all for watching, subscribing, and keep on cooking. We need to expand this culinary art on this channel to a whole new level. We need more cooking on this channel. Anyway, smash like and subscribe. If you have any recipes you'd like to recommend me try, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.